I stress corals in tanks.
For the good!
For the good! Hi, I'm Sophia Ellis. I'm a PhD student at Southern Cross University, based here at the National Marine Science Centre. My research involves investigating the role of light and temperature in coral bleaching, conducting experiments where we stress the corals. I validate a model so we can use this tool to accurately predict coral bleaching events. I love the corals because of their vibrancy, the morphology and all the animals they support. It'd be a real shame to lose these almost like forests underwater. I see them struggling. I've been out on the reef, and whether it's cyclone damage, bleaching, I work within the RAP program, which is the Reef Restoration and Adaptation program. We investigate cooling and shading interventions, which include fogging and marine cloud brightening, and these interventions are important for alleviating coral bleaching, whether that's through reducing sea surface temperatures or reducing the light that hits the corals at the surface. It took a while for me to get here. I was looking for a job and I came across the National Marine Science Centre. It's great, we have lots of facilities here. I love being so close to the sea, I love being warm, it's very nice. I feel like there's a good culture here, everyone helps each other. So outside we have the tank farms, which is where I've done a couple of my coral experiments. So we have these temperature control units which we can ramp up the temperatures to simulate the heat waves that corals in the natural environment may experience. I enjoy making a difference or feeling like I'm contributing to something that is important.